In today's video, I'm going to teach you Klarna app not working, how to fix Klarna app not working, 5 minutes. If the Klarna app isn't loading, keeps crashing, or payments won't go through, follow along as we walk through a clear checklist to get you back on track. First, make sure you're running the latest version of the app. Outdated versions can cause bugs, login loops, or checkout errors. Open your device's app store, search for Klarna, and apply any available updates. Keeping your operating system updated also helps prevent compatibility issues. If you're using Klarna in a browser, clear your cookies and cache to remove stale data that can break login or checkout. In most browsers, this is found under privacy or history settings. If you're on the app, clear the app cache in your device settings by opening apps, selecting Klarna, then storage or storage and cache, and tapping clear cache. This keeps your data but refreshes temporary files. Note that clearing data, which is different from cache, may sign you out, so use it only if you need a deeper reset. Next, completely close and reopen the app or browser. On mobile, swipe up or use your task switcher to force quit, then relaunch. On desktop, fully exit the browser and start it again. This refreshes your session and often resolves minor glitches. Now check your connection. A slow or restricted network can block pages or payments. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test, move to a stronger signal, or momentarily disable any VPN or ad blocker that could interrupt secure connections. Public or workplace networks may restrict payment services, so trying a different network can quickly rule that out. Double check your details, ensure your billing address and phone number match what your bank or card issuer has on file, and confirm that you meet the minimum age requirement of 18. Mismatched information or age limits can lead to verification failures and declined purchases. Confirm you have sufficient funds or available credit. Pending charges, authorization holds, or daily card limits can reduce what's available even if your balance looks fine. If you're using a virtual or prepaid card, verify it's supported and has enough balance. Finally, if the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the app. This removes any corrupted files and gives you a fresh install. Reinstall from your official app store, open Klarna, and sign back in. Work through these steps in order, and you should see the issue resolved. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get Klarna working smoothly again.